Okay, well, this was supposed to be a demonstration of how my guitar works with this new wiring I had put in here, but apparently there's some issues with it, which I don't know. They didn't show up when I was checking it out at the guy's shop whenever I went to pick it up, so I'll have to figure out what's going on. It's got this freeway 6-position switch here that he put in. Up here, when you had it pushed, toward the neck, up is supposed to be just the neck pickup. The middle, both of these pickups, the neck and the bridge, and down the bridge pickup, just like a normal 2-pickup Les Paul. When you flip it over toward the bridge, then you're supposed to have the bridge and the middle. Up in the middle position is just the middle pickup, and then the neck and the middle. So you're supposed to have all these, and plus a separate volume control for each pickup. Master tone, bridge volume, neck volume as usual, and then this, the volume for the middle pickup, Unfortunately, I seem to be having an issue with it. I don't know if there's something wrong with some of the wiring in there somewhere. May have to take it back to him and have him figure it out. But apparently, when I got it down in the bridge position, I've got all the volumes turned up. The bridge position, all you're getting is nothing, Same thing over here. The middle position here, anything that has to do with the bridge pickup seems to be something wrong. Get it up in the neck. The neck and the middle pickups work great, like. This position here should be the neck and the middle. Yeah, that'll shut it off. Oh no, this is, yeah. So they both work, but this one is more like a master, kind of like it would be with just the neck and the bridge pickups on a standard Les Paul. The neck one will turn them both off. Or other, that one kind of blends in the middle, I guess. And this should just be the middle. Yeah, this should just be the middle pickup. The pickups, this is the pickup that came in the guitar. It's an Epiphone Pro-Bucker 2. It originally came with a Pro-Bucker 3, which is a little hotter pickup in the bridge, and then Pro-Bucker 2s in the neck in the middle. And I had them replaced with a set of pickups from this company called Righteous Sound Pickups. They're called the RAF, which stands for Righteousness Applied For, instead of Patent Applied For, like on the original Gibsons. But they're more a vintage wind kind of pickup. I've got the middle pickup kind of cranked down anyways here to, more room to pick. But, yeah, I can't believe, I don't know what's going on with this bridge pickup. Obviously nothing happening, which is sad. I could have sworn whenever I went to pick it up that it was working okay, so I don't know if something came loose somewhere. It shouldn't have anything to do with the cable, of course. It's got to be something internal with the guitar. But yeah, any of the positions, like over here, which should be the neck and the bridge, or just the bridge, or over here, the bridge in the middle, anything involving the bridge pickup is not doing anything. So that's not good. which is interesting. So I've got a 2 pickup guitar right now, I guess, with the neck in the middle. One of the reasons I wanted a 6-position switch was so I could have the the neck and the bridge together like a standard Les Paul, you know, and then kind of roll off the volume on the neck position, which is something I've always done with Les Pauls through the years. And of course you want to have that nice bright, you know, bridge position, which I don't have. Let's see what it's like clean here. So that's just the middle pickup. Neck. Oh no, that would be the neck in the middle. I mean, over here is just the neck. Yeah, well, that sucks. I'm going to have to get hold of the guy and get that figured out. I was looking forward to rocking with this while my wife was gone, you know. That middle pickup does sound pretty nice. I thought about just trying to do, I had like another wiring harness I thought about doing, and just try it with the original pickups, and then got a good deal on those Righteousness Applied for pickups, and I thought, well, maybe I'll put those vintage kind of pickups in there. And the guy suggested that 6-position switch, you know, and I thought, well, okay, that'll probably give me what I want, but definitely something. Something wrong. I was hoping to show you what these Righteousness Applied pickups sound like, plus the switching. That's going to have to wait. That Epiphone pickup in the middle actually sounds pretty good. Yeah, when I originally got it, you know, it just had the 3-position switch, which was the bridge, and then the bridge in the middle, and then the neck by itself. You couldn't get the bridge and the neck together, which unfortunately I can't get now either, since it's all fucked up. But none of that was apparent to me whenever I plugged it into his little amp at the shop when I picked it up. I could have sworn I tried out all the combinations basically, you know, but something must be loose in there, which sucks. Anyways, we'll be back for an update someday after I get this thing fixed.